Meaning of headboard.
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 Headboard. A headboard is a piece of furniture that is attached to the head of a bed. It usually sits between the bed and the wall and serves both a functional and decorative purpose. Functionally, a headboard can provide support for sitting up in bed, keep pillows from falling behind the bed, and protect the wall from scuffs and marks. Decoratively, it can transform the look of a bedroom, adding style and visual interest. Headboards can come in various materials and styles, from traditional wood to contemporary upholstered designs.